This technical guide examines high-voltage motor starting strategies, focusing on balancing grid stability, torque requirements, and equipment longevity. We will analyze the physics, mechanics, and strategic use cases for 5 dominant HV starting methods. Connecting high-voltage motors directly to the line causes an immediate, massive draw of inrush current, typically 5 to 8 times the rated current. This surge risks voltage sags, thermal stress, and mechanical shock. The goal is to use reduced voltage starting to protect both the motor and the power supply grid. Direct online, or DOL, is the full voltage baseline. The motor connects directly to full voltage, resulting in maximum torque at the cost of maximum electrical and mechanical stress. This approach is ideal for very small HV motors or facilities with strong power systems. Star-delta starting is a 2-stage reconfiguration of the windings. Stage 1, star connection, reduces phase voltage, cutting current and torque by about 58%. Stage 2, delta connection, switches to full voltage. This method is best for cost-effective manufacturing environments where supply disturbance must be minimized. The auto-transformer method uses an onboard transformer to step down voltage before it reaches the motor. Selectable taps, such as 50%, 65%, or 80%, allow custom calibration of startup force versus current draw. This method is suited for applications needing a specific, tunable balance between torque needs and grid limitations. Primary resistor starting uses series resistors inserted into the circuit to restrict current flow. Once the motor accelerates, a bypass contactor removes them. This offers a smoother acceleration profile than star-delta and is ideal for medium-voltage motors where strict current limiting is the priority. Soft starters and VFDs use solid-state electronics to provide a smooth, continuously controlled voltage ramp-up, offering infinite ramp control. Benefits include zero mechanical shock, potential energy savings, and minimized electrical stress. This is best for modern, high-value systems where precision control is paramount. Selecting the right tool depends on the motor size, grid strength, and application. DOL provides maximum torque for small motors and strong grids. Soft Start, or VFD, offers precision control and minimal stress. As seen in this comparison of inrush profiles, soft starters and VFDs offer the smoothest start, followed by star-delta. The engineering choice ultimately relies on balancing grid limitations, application criticality, and budget constraints.